Hi everybody. Today we're going to show you the 5 things we love about our RV. Hi everybody, I'm Diana and you're watching It's About Time Now. Brad and I want to welcome you back to the channel. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell.
There are many kinds of motorhomes and travel trailers and RVs. What's the right choice for you? Only you can answer that. But what we thought we'd do today is show you 5 of the things that we absolutely love about Gumby, our little 26-foot Class C motorhome that we have driven across the country and back. So stay with us. We'll show you some of the features that are must-haves to us on any rig we buy, whether it's the one we're currently in or the next one down the road.
Hi everybody, we want to show you the 5 things we love about our RV. Come on in. Alright, there are so many different kinds of rigs out there, from travel trailers to fifth wheels to B classes to A classes. We have a little small C class and I love the maneuverability of it.
One of the great joys of having a small RV is if you're going to go somewhere, in this case we're going up to Orlando to take a look at some cars. In this time of COVID, we take the motorhome. That way we've got our own bathroom, our own restaurant right on board. We don't have to do anything other than just stop in and check out this car and go home.
One of the other things that we love about this rig is that we each have a place for our CPAPs. We each have a little cubby over here beside the headboard. Not every RV has that, we've discovered. So that's on our list that we have to have, and we love it that we found one that meets our needs.
Item number 3 of the things we love about this rig is its gasoline engine. Even though it's only a V6, it has plenty of power and it gets almost 14 miles to the gallon on the interstate. Item number 2 that we absolutely love about Gumby is the fact that it came from the factory equipped with 1 lithium battery, and we added a 2nd lithium battery. This gives us the ability to boondock and run our CPAPs for over 24 hours without recharging. Number 1 on our list of things that we love about our RV is the huge pass-through basement that this is equipped with. This basement goes all the way through to the other side of the coach and allows us to take all of our toys and things that we need on the road with us. It's critical that you have enough storage for all of your equipment. Many of your new RVs today don't have that.
We hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you've been considering a new rig, or if you have things you love or maybe don't love about your current rig, go ahead and let us know that down in the comments. We love hearing from you. And get out there and enjoy life. Do something you have fun with, because remember, it's about time now, because tomorrow is not guaranteed.
Am I in focus?
You are in focus.
Now the air conditioner's on.
Yep. You can. Is it videoing?
It appears to be.
You think so?
We'll definitely have sound. It says record.
Okay. Well, if it says it's the red button, red box that says record.
Yeah,
then
it's not blinking or nothing.
No, there's no blinking.
Oh, this is gonna be.
No, you were gonna record me to do this one.
Oh, good. Thank God, because I can't get past it.
You might want to start all over.